Hey, what's going on everybody? Paul Tech here, and welcome back to another quick tutorial video about the Pixel 6 Pro. Now in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can install a SIM card in your 6 Pro. Now it's a very simple process, but I'm going to go ahead and share with you step by step exactly how to install a SIM card. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need is the Pixel 6 Pro box, because inside of this box is going to be the tool that's going to get you access to the SIM card tray. So let me go ahead and open up my box here. Now I already have another I already have another SIM removal tool that I use, but in this booklet right here to the back is going to be the tool that you're going to need. So go ahead and open it up. There is some instructions there on how to remove the SIM tray, but in this video I'm going to share with you exactly how to do it. Alright, so whenever I install a SIM card, I like to power down my device. So I'm going to go ahead and power off my Pixel 6 Pro. Highly recommend it if you are going to be, installing a new SIM card. All right, to the left-hand side of the 6 Pro, you'll notice you have your tray there. That's the SIM card tray, and you want to go ahead and get that SIM removal tool. Now with this tool here, go ahead and insert it into the tray like so, and that is going to allow you to remove the tray. So as you can see, I got the tray removed. Now, depending on your SIM card, you want to line it up perfect to the SIM card tray. So you're going to want to make sure it's in the, the right direction. So as you can see, I'm going to have to flip over my T-Mobile SIM card to make it a perfect fit into the tray. So just like so. If you got a T-Mobile SIM card, you'll probably have to insert it just like this, but that's pretty much how you want to insert it. So I'm going to go ahead now, input the tray back into the Pixel 6 Pro, just like that. And at this point, I'll go ahead and power on the 6 Pro. So I can go ahead and power it on now. And so we'll give it a couple seconds so it can boot up, do its thing. Now I've already registered my 6 Pro to T-Mobile on my account, but depending on your carrier, you might have to call in, register your 6 Pro, give them the IMEI information. But as you can see, we're good to go here. I'm going to go ahead and go through the lock screen and into the home screen, and I'm going to go ahead and turn off Wi-Fi because I want to share with you that I have a 5G connectivity here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the Wi-Fi. There we go. And as you'll see on the upper right hand corner there, I got 5G and everything will sync in just a minute or so, but that's pretty much it. That is how you can install a SIM card into your brand new Google Pixel 6 Pro. Again, that tray on the left hand side, get the tool that is, in the box, use it, and just follow this video step by step. You should be good to go. That's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me, and definitely subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial videos just like this. This is Paul Tech, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.